Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both runtimes and choosing how they will talk. Install Python 3, X and Node, JS, then create a project folder and initialize npm. Once done, set up a Python virtual environment and install minimal libraries like Flask or Fast API if you chose HTTP or WebSockets for real-time. Make sure to pick ports and file locations so they won't conflict. This step gets both sides running. It avoids later permission and path problems, and it sets the first working endpoint to test. Now you implement the chosen bridge. If you use HTTP, create a Python route that accepts JSON and returns structured responses. Test it with curl. If you use WebSocket, start an async server in Python and connect from Node. JS to exchange events quickly. If you prefer child processes, spawn Python from Node and communicate over stdin/stdout using newline delimited JSON. Make sure to add simple logging on both sides so you can trace messages. Once connected, send a sample payload and validate round-trip behavior immediately. Finish by hardening and testing the integration. Add timeouts, retries, and input validation in both Python and Node so malformed data doesn't crash either side. Use JSON schemas when possible. Once done, containerize with Docker to lock runtime versions and environment variables, then run end-to-end tests. Make sure to enable meaningful logs and structured error messages. They speed troubleshooting. If things go wrong, reproduce the exact failing request locally, inspect logs, and check network bindings. This single step often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.